TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very pleasant Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update. We've got a sea of red. Dow's down 315 points, about 0.5%, 66 points for the S&P, 1%, 1 3/10 for the NASDAQ 100, 352 points there, 36 for the Russell, 118 for the trannies, 208 for the semis, 364 for the NASDAQ composite. Gold is off $5. Silver's down 67 cents. Light sweet crude up 35 pennies. Natural gas up 9 cents. Let's look at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini upper left-hand side. Right now, we just have a consolidation with inside its daily profile. As soon as the chart populates, you'll actually be able to see that. There you go. So price finds resistance earlier this morning at the top of its profile, 68.94. If we do close above that, we'll get back to its highs. Just a consolidation. It is traded inside a bearish structured profile, and a close today below 68.34 increased the odds of a move to 67.44. That is the bottom of its profile. In the case of the NQ, it looks like it's gunning for the bottom of its profile as we speak. That level will be at 25.047. The Dow Equity Future contract trading back inside its profile now. It has support between the area of 47.407, 47.730. Yesterday, the Dow Equity Future contract negated its TD9 count top and triggered an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside. That pattern is still in play. High-grade copper, just a consolidation with inside profiles there. Testing resists up at the 516 level, support at 492. Goldilocks yesterday closing above the top of its daily profile, trade above that today, trade above its green oscillator and change line, 43.9360, its T9 count. Breakdown level is where price is targeting. In the case of silver, closed above the top of its daily profile. What it really needs, though, is a close above the high from October 17th, and that number's at 53.765. We close above that, we're back off to the races, and we'll also trigger an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside. Light sweet crude, key level of support here is going to be at 57.95. Price is trading below that red oscillator and change line. If we can get back above it, 59.42. And you can see really light sweet crude has just been trading sideways for several weeks out here. Natural gas is in an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside. It negated its original sell the D point top a couple of days ago. It needs a new bearish reversal candle to confirm the same. And finally, a 30-year Treasury, which has a TD9 count bottom, continues to find resistance at its oscillator and change line. And even above that, right at about the 118 even Steven mark is more resistance. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you're off to start your Thursday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.